Hi everyone, Tom here for BBC Learning English. Today I'm going to show you how to use the future continuous. We use the future continuous to describe actions in progress at a future point in time. For example, in the next scene, I will be wearing a jumper. We make the future continuous using will, be, and verb ing. Note that we can use any subject pronoun and the structure won't change. For example, these are my hands. The subject pronoun is they. In the next scene, they will be holding a melon. So now you will be thinking about how to use the new grammar. Why not give it a try?